And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, the snow has come and gone, and all we're left with is a little bit of a dusting and some cool temperatures. 21 degrees right now, winds from the southwest right around 7 miles per hour, dropping that wind chill down to around 12 degrees. Still looking at cloudy conditions, and that will be the story throughout the remainder of the morning, even into the early afternoon, though we are looking at clearer conditions off to our west, and those will be moving in later on in the late afternoon and evening hours. Notice all the snow now off to our east at this point, and getting a better look at that, the very last of those flurries just off to the east of Miami County now. Final amounts, we measured right around 0.8 of an inch of snowfall right here in Lafayette. Other parts of the viewing area, right around 1.5 inches for Benton County. Go further up to the north. So the heaviest snowfall in northern Jasper County, 2.5 inches there. Down towards Montgomery County, about 0.7 of an inch. And then we saw a couple inches, or at least 1 inch for both Clinton and Howard County. But for West Lafayette, we actually had at least one report of an inch of snowfall across the parts of West Lafayette this morning. Now, with all the snow moving off to the east, the low pressure system that's driving the snow will drag further to the east as well, and that's going to allow high pressure to move right back in, and that's going to help do two things. One, clear things out. Two, cool us off quite a bit. We are looking at temperatures dropping down into the single digits overnight tonight after we warm up to 28 later this afternoon. The snow has now ended, but we're still seeing pretty chilly conditions with winds getting up to around 15 miles per hour still throughout the remainder of this afternoon. Temperatures dip down to 9 degrees. We become clear, but look at the winds still from the northwest around 15 miles per hour. Those winds will make that wind chill feel more like -2 or -3 out there at times during the overnight period. So very cool conditions once again overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. But the good news, though, is that high pressure keeps things sunny for tomorrow, so mostly sunny skies for your Saturday. A nice but cool Saturday is ahead of us, and you can see the cloud cover move right back in again for Saturday, or Sunday rather, with precipitation just off to our west, and that'll be foreshadowing the warm up but the damp start to next week. 22 degrees will be our high temperature for tomorrow. Mostly sunny, certainly cold. Those winds still from the northwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour, but as that high shifts further to the east throughout the day tomorrow, winds will begin to move in from the south during the late afternoon and evening hours, and that is going to help warm things up for the beginning of next week. Check out these temperatures in the extended forecast. So we hit 28 today, 22 tomorrow. Not exactly warm, I know, but as we get into Sunday, check that out, 32 with a wintry mix. We could be dealing with some freezing rain, which could make for some dicey conditions for Monday morning's commute to work. 44 your high temperature, Jamie, on Monday, that precipitation becoming a steady rainfall, and eventually we could be talking about thunderstorms come Tuesday, a high temperature of 55 degrees that day, and that cold front finally drags through and drops temperatures right back down to 31 degrees that night. We drop all the way down to the mid-20s by next Thursday.
The great thing about that 7-day forecast or extended forecast is there's a little something for everybody.
There is, you know, it's winter in Indiana, so you're going to get a little bit of everything, at least over the next week here. Some thunderstorms, some showers. The wintry mix, I think we could go without, but that's something that we're going to keep our eyes on here over the next few days.
All right, Cameron, thank you.